Sparkles of AI, a classroom adventure. Hi friends, ready to explore the magical world of AI? Have you ever wondered how your phone answers questions? Or how smart apps seem to know what you like? Let's discover artificial intelligence together. AI helps devices learn from patterns and make smart guesses. It's like a helpful teammate for your phone and apps. Ask a question, and AI helps find a helpful answer. AI notices patterns, like your favorite songs or shows. It turns data into smart suggestions you can choose. AI is like sparkles that help apps work smarter for you. And you're always the one who taps and decides what to do. Let's keep exploring and asking great questions together.